Hi, so we're going to talk about nested objects. Let us solve the task so that we'll understand what nested objects are. So in this task here, we've been given this, it says access the sub-properties folder 2 and drawer of the object as storage and log the values. So we have the object as storage, and within it we have two main properties. That's the desk, which is like the key, and the cabinet, which is the second key. And we have the value for the desk as another object, as we can see here, and that for cabinet as another object, as we can see here. And even inside the objects, that's the value for cabinet, we have another property which says top drawer and bottom drawer. Then within the top drawer, for its value, which is an object, we have another sub property which is folder 1 and folder 2. So we're meant to access folder 2 and drawer, which is this one here, and folder 2, which is here, and we're meant to log out the values. So let's do that. So first of all, I would like to create a new variable. So to do that, I'll just say let folder 2 value be equals to, and now I'm going to set it to, first of all, we'll select the object which is our storage. Then we are going to access cabinet property because that's where the folder 2 sub property is found. So we'll say dot cabinet. So then within the cabinet we have two properties, top drawer, which has objects, and we have the second drawer which has a string. So we're going to select the top drawer. Now why can't we use dot? Because we have a space between the two words here that is used for the property. So we're going to take the entire string and we're going to put that in bracket notation, and we'll paste that there. So top drawer, and then we need to now access the property folder 2. So we'll come here and say folder 2, and if we log out this on the console, that's taking this folder 2 value, and we save that. Now we have secret, and that's what we have here as the value for folder 2. So we've been able to have access to that. So we are also told that we need to get the value for drawer, and we can see drawer is here in the first property. So we'll do the same thing. Let's create a new variable. I'll say value, or let me say drawer value is equals to, and then we're going to select our storage, and afterwards I'm going to select the desk, and then we'll select the drawer property, and that's it. So let's copy that. I'm going to do the same thing. We'll log it out, and save. And now we have secrets for folder value 2, and we have stapler for drawer value. That's what we have here, stapler. So we solved question 1 or task 1. Let's go on to task 2. So comment that out. So 2 says access the my storage object and assign the contents of the glove box property to the glove box contents variable. So let me uncomment that so you can see the my storage object. Now we need to assign the content of the globebox property, that's this, to the globebox contents variable. So create the variable. So let globebox contents be equals to, and now we're going to take my storage, and we need to have access to this property car, and then we also need to have access to inside there, and finally we need to have access to glove box, because that's what we've been asked to look for. So since there is spacing between the string, I'm going to use bracket notation. I'll copy that. Sorry, I'll copy this. Come here. And now let me log out the result. That's glove box contents. And if I save that, now I have maps, which is exactly what we have here. So we were able to assign that value to glove box contents, which we've just logged out. So that's basically all about nesting objects.